Today we're going to go over the Amplinq product here and how this works. So this is actually the Amplinq module right here. It's connected to two of our aftermarket amplifiers, and this will replace the factory amplifier here. So we have the same plugs on our harness. So you would unplug the factory amplifier, you would plug those plugs in here, and then that'll power the amplifier. We have everything routed so that the speaker output from the amplifiers goes back out through here to the doors and to the woofer, tweeters, all that. And then the signal comes into here and we send it back out from the other side, and it goes into the amplifiers as a high level. And from there, each of the doors is going to be changed out, and then we have the woofer here as well. These simply unbolt. So I've got the 4 bolt holes there, and the speaker of course, and that'll be changed out for this one. We have the same bolt holes, but we have a 6.5 profile instead. We've done the same for the rear, so that's the 2 of those. And then for the subwoofer here, this one actually goes upside down like this, and this fires into the trunk. So we've adapted this here. So it has the holes on this side, which will line up with this piece, and this can actually sit in the trunk and fire into the trunk like the factory one did. Today we're going to be going over our new speaker adapters for vehicles. This is to go with our Amplinq project, and these are to replace the factory speakers, and you can put your aftermarket speaker in here but line it up with the factory bolt holes. So this one here is going to be one for a Chrysler vehicle. We've got our factory bolt holes here, and then these are all for the aftermarket. We've also got some for Toyota. So this will be for the door speaker here. And then we have the factory plug on top. So you can just plug and play with these, and then these will go to your actual speaker. We've got the subwoofer one here for Toyota. And then we also have these for Hyundai. These will be for the door speaker, very similar with the harness here that's plug and play. And this would be for the subwoofer. We've also got some here for Audi. This would be for the rear speaker for the rear door, and this would be for the front door. And then we've got one here that actually adapts the subwoofer that's upside down in the trunk. And then we have these here that are going to be universal. So these fit in multiple different vehicles. This one's for a subwoofer, and these are all going to be for tweeters right here.